Cheesy, cheesy. Got the au jus. Decent?
That's good.
Huh? Pressure cooker. I should cut yours. I'll cut yours. Alright. What am I making? This should give you the secret of what I'm making. Browning the meats. Getting those little bits down there. Browning the meats. The browner the better. Browning the meats. Right? The browner the better. Keep flipping it. Keep flipping it. Okay? The idea is to get those bits down there so I can scrape them off. That's flavor. Oh, we got a lot of things going on. I'm heating up the hot plate for the buns. Opening this bad boy up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Now, I am going to go and stir it up, but that is what French dip looks like. As you can tell, I took a piece out of the pressure cooker. Remember, it's always easier on the teeth when you cut against the grain. Pot roast is pretty straightforward. Here's the grain. See those lines? A grain means like that. That's a grain, right? So I'm gonna cut across the grain. I'm gonna put it back in that pot. 15 minutes, and we're gonna eat it. Cheesy, cheesy. Got the au jus. Decent?
That's good.
Huh? Pressure cooker. I should cut yours. I'll cut yours.